At AllTex Welding Supply, we are a welding supply only. We don't sell medical gases, we don't sell beverage, CO2. We're just trying to be the best welding supply store in the Houston market. ESAB's been a good partner for us. One, that the brands carry a lot of weight. The brands have a lot of pull. We've always been loyal to Victor, being a Texas-based company, and Victor being a Texas company. Same with Tweco, Thermodynamic, ESAB brand, Studi. The ESAB Volt has been a good product for us with the versatility and with the battery. It's how portable the Volt is has really opened up a market for us. Having a warehouse presence in Houston actually helps us get filler metals the same day we order them. Denton's only one day away from us, so that really helped. And just your presence in Texas and your support for the high schools in Texas, what your donations to different high schools and causes here in the state. We want to be associated with good brands. We want to be associated with safe brands, and ESAB's just been good for that.